Grabe. Super lamig, guys. Trick. Go, 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 go. Hurry up. You're cold. Si Kaylee kasi parang tanga. I told you earlier I'm gonna bring the bag eh. Oh gosh! Lamig. Alamig. Nana, anong oras ba dito, Nana? Alam. Happy Halloween. Nasa ba si Pogi? Ayun, nabigyan mo na. Oh. Happy Halloween. Dito kami sa bahay ni Mare. Pogi. Isa sa ano. Ako sa TikTok. Jay, how can I make it? I know. Now I know. Say hi. Oh, I can't. Can you point on me? This is my kids, guys. Baby girl. Okay. Point on me. Dito kami nag-trick or treat, guys.
Yeah, I'll mix you.
That's cute. Oh, nice. Your CD. Go, go. Say trick or treat. That's my baby, guys. My son, my baby girl. Oh! Tragis. Really cute. Thank you. Cute. Ang cute ng costume niya. Happy Halloween! Baby girl! Aking mga anak ko, parang PG lang, mangingi ng chocolate, guys. Namamali mo sila ng chocolate para almusal namin. But I didn't get to work. Ano? Go that one. Nobody's there. Oh, just get on chocolate, the door. The light's open. It's on by the pumpkin. You see the pumpkin? I guess, yaman na, namimigay lang ng chocolate, guys, oh. Mga anak ko parang pulubi, guys, so nangihin ng chocolate. Gutom na kasi sila, guys, eh. Kailangan daw nila. Hapunan nila. Eto, guys, so sa gutom niya nga naging kalansay na siya, oh. You see, even my kids are starving. That's why they need chocolate, right, baby girl? For your dinner. Yes, that's for their dinner, guys. You see, they're starving. You see this person so starving now, that skeleton. Nobody's
Mommy, we got toxic waste.
Ha?
We got toxic waste.
Nagulat si Jacob.
That's something that I almost stepped over. But I think I set it off.
Good. Cute. So cute. Si Chucky, guys, namimigay ng chocolate to mga anak ko. Just one, babe. Just one, please.
Football cards.
Just one. Just one. Just get one, guys. So cute. Ang cute ng decoration. Super enjoy yung mga anak ko, guys. Oh. At mami. Ang cute, guys, ng decoration nila. Oh. Malaki ng bahay dito. Ito kami nagpunta. Dati doon kami sa kabila eh. Kaso dito tayo sa mga yaman. Para mayamanin ng chocolate din. Na.
Bye.
Go, go, go. Ayan, may ano, Santa Claus. Ano ko. Kaylee, bring our stuff. Halloween! Okay. Ann? Yeah. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Ang cute ng decoration na. Oh, that's so scary. Beboy, look at mommy. While you're trying to catch the ghost. Don't go to the yard because not allowed. Hi guys, we're done for trick or treat tonight. So we're going home and my feet was too